Ever wonder how health experts track disease outbreaks and allocate resources effectively? Today, we will create maps by pinpointing the location disease outbreak by using a point-to-Polygon tool and help us lineate the affected area using MAPOG, a free GIS platform that turns data into life-saving decisions in just minutes. Let's start by adding context. Click GIS data to add administrative layers and select the country and click apply. Choose the state boundary and click add to map to visualize the boundaries. Next, uploading outbreak data. Click add/upload data. With MAPOG, you can import Excel or CSV files with latitude and longitude. Watch as cases appear instantly on the map. To customize your data, click Style Layer and change the icons, colors, radius, and opacity. We can upload all the other files with the same process. Here's the magic. Use the Point-to-Polygon tool to cluster outbreak points into clear affected areas. Customize the layer to adjust the borders and opacity to make hotspots pop. Repeat the same with the other polygon layer. Now, overlay healthcare access. Go to add or update data and browse your data. Click WKT to add geometry and publish. We can instantly see gaps in coverage, critical for planning vaccine drives or quarantines. Now change the icons to hospital buildings, distance, size, and opacity. Finally, share your map privately or with health teams. It helps public officials and researchers to track outbreaks in our area effectively and prevent immediately. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. For any queries, please reach us on support@mapog.com.